UI/UX design isn't just about making things pretty, it's about making things intelligent as well. Hey everyone, my name is Ignas and I am a UI/UX designer here at Project ID. I also work on other exciting projects like Conversion Spartan, but today I want to welcome you all to this brand new channel called Intellectual Design. In this video, we're going to cover a few important things about the channel, the goal behind intellectual design and the idea and purpose that inspired it, and finally, the type of content you can expect to see here. So let's start with the goal of intellectual design. The mission here is simple: to make learning as fast, easy, and effective as possible. Not just for me, but for you as well. The idea came to me a couple of years ago during a conversation about how challenging it can be to study and retain information. Whether I am learning about design, math, languages, history, or geography, I have often found traditional learning methods to be difficult and forgettable. This channel is my attempt to change that, to explore smarter ways of learning and make the process feel more natural and enjoyable. If I had to summarize the heart of this channel in just a few words, I would borrow a quote from Phil Collins. "In learning you will teach, and in teaching you will learn." The quote really stuck with me. It's the reason I have chosen to grow in design by teaching it, because the best way to truly understand something is to explain it to others. What does intellectual design actually mean? The name reflects the deep connection between design and human psychology. Every design decision, from the colors we use, to typography choices, to layouts and grid systems, is driven by how people think and feel. Why do some colors feel calm, while others grab attention? Why do certain fonts feel more serious or playful? Why do we find structured layouts easier to use? It all comes back to psychology. Intellectual design is all about exploring those connections to create better, more thoughtful design. So what kind of content can you expect here? This channel will be packed with practical UI/UX tutorials, including beginner-friendly guides like Figma 101, and tips on using tools like Adobe Illustrator and even more. We will also dive into real-world redesigns, where we will break down existing products, solve UI/UX problems, and discuss why companies make certain design decisions. Another key focus will be design psychology, how design shapes our behavior and influences the way we think. And finally, we will cover other useful topics like productivity tools, workflow tips, and career advice to help you grow as a designer. So if you love design as much as we do, welcome to the ID community.